been knowing by studying 9th standard in Switzerland High Secondary School. I have created a security drone. It is based on the theme automated surroundings. In our day-to-day life, many thefts are created by robbers and murders are occurring. These thefts are occurring in places like shopping malls, jewelry, homes, etc. The security in the shops are not able to check the people who are coming with weapons like gun and knives. To solve this problem, I have created a security drone using animations in pictoblox software. The security drone has a laser rays to scan the people who are coming to shop. It can scan the people, and if they have weapons means it will create an alarm sound and send the message and photo of the person to the security control room.
When we click the start button, the drone starts its work. It will analyze the person coming to shop. The person coming with weapon is alerting. This is the security control room.
You are under arrest.
Like this, we can make a security drone for safety. Thank you.